What's going on, everybody? How you guys doing? Welcome to fxpronow.com, and this is chart breakdown number 38, and we're going to be breaking down gold. And let's get started right now. So what we see here is specifically gold, all right? And when it comes to gold, gold acts a little differently. It just acts differently. That's the only way I could be able to put that. And with that being the case, sometimes we have to treat a little differently than how we usually treat our Forex pairs, okay? So what was that? Oh, no. And with that being the case, what we want to do is we want to make sure that we play for the long haul when it comes to gold. Like, even if it's making crazy moves and stuff like that, still focus on where you believe price is going to go. That's what I'm going to say when it comes to gold. All right. So what we see here, I'm not really going to focus over here too much. I'm only going to focus on what we see in this region right here. What I called back in August was, hey, listen, price is going to shoot up. Mostly because what was happening with the country and the fact that the S&P 500 was going to start to push down. With that being the case, gold is supposed to go up. All right, and that's exactly what started to happen. Now, what's happening is the S&P 500 for now, just for a short amount of time, is starting to push up. So with that being the case, gold pushes down, and that's okay. All right. So what we saw in the past was the fact that gold had that push to the upside, broke this structure, and then it had to retest that area, and then the continuation of the upside move. Okay. Now, with that being the case, all that I'm looking for, all that I've been looking for was for gold to break its structure and then continue to push down at least a bit and then continue, okay? And what we saw here was the fact that it was starting to slow down, okay? And if anything, you'll probably see it on the H4 time frame. You'll see it start to slow down. If anything, probably closer. Let's see the H2. So you'll see the fact that price found some level of resistance. You can see it better on the H4 as far as that purple. All right. This area right here, price never closes on top with a bullish candle, okay? Price never closes on top. And in my mind, I'm like, okay, this is going to break through at some point in time. All right, let's go to the H2, and you'll see the fact that price was just boom, 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 boom. And then what did it do? Break through. So I got in on my sell somewhere, I forget exactly where it was somewhere around here, right? And currently I'm up 150 pips on this right now. And I'm going to show you, okay, where do I believe price is going to go? Well, my fibs is drawn, and I know I got a whole bunch of stuff on here, right? But my take profit is in this region over here. That's why that green is there. Let me go ahead and take that out. All right, so point A, this is where the bull started to come in. So this is where I'm going to start it. So point A here to point B at that purple line, because that's based upon the H4 time frame, the highest closed candle, and you can see it over here as well. All right, so from point A, point B. So I see price getting at the least 38.2. What's also in that area, which is great, is somewhat of a weekly key level, right, in this region. So my first take profit is for price to continue to the downside to at least 38.2, right? Or if anything, we do have a daily key level at 50%, and it's in confluence with that area. And then we also have 61.8 at that point at this point as well. Not only that, but we do actually see that price found some level of support at that area as well. So no matter what, my take profit is 38.2. Right now, with that being the case, I have multiple orders open, right? So I'll, if anything, close out one here, right, for a take profit of, I'm up 150 pips right now. So yeah, I probably got in like a little higher, right? So this one is at the least 300 pips. It's not 300. I literally got 300 pips. So it's probably somewhere around there. Okay. Is my take profit number one, right? I'll have another take profit over here. Right. And then another one at 61.8. After that, I'm just looking for my buys to continue to the upside. And I'll be looking for my first take profit to the upside after that. So this is something else. So another way that I could be able to put it based on the weekly time frame was point A, point B, point C, 61.8 to the downside. So this was another way that you could be able to call it that this would continue down. But either way, from this area over here to this area over here, right? Let's go ahead and put these negative 27%. Where does that go? And then 61.8, right? So as we can see, the 61.8 is in confluence with that blue line right here. And that blue line is just this area right here, right? And specifically this monthly key level. We see that price is rejected over and over and over at this area right here. So that's why my first take profit is at this monthly right here, this 1350 area. So I'm almost sure that that's what will continue to the upside. But again, for now, what we're looking for are just these bears to just continue its way to the downside, all right? And I'm looking for my take profit somewhere in this area. It's a very large area, right, of about, what is that, 200 pips as far as that take profit area. No matter what, I'm going to get my first take profit here. I'm already up 150 pips. I got another 160 pips to go to 38.2. And then after that, I'll wait for my second take profit at 61.8. And then after that, I don't care what's going on. I'm closing out all my trades. Even if it continues to push down, I'm not getting in until I see the continuation of the upside move. That's what I'm focusing on. And that's what we got going on. So when it comes to gold, I don't really talk about gold too much. I do trade it. I love to trade it. I do hold it when it comes to personally. Now, if you are looking to actually really learn how to get into the Forex markets and stuff like that, you can be able to go into fxpronow.com. Go ahead and check it out. We have a Telegram group that you can be able to actually add in. We have over 500 people in there, so you can be able to actually, see what other people are talking about when it comes to the Forex markets. And then also, you can be able to learn for free on our actual YouTube, FX Pro Now on YouTube. And then we actually have a course, FX Pro Now, the You Are the Indicator course, okay? And on there, you could be able to really learn the true mastery of Forex, step by step, and going from there. All right, guys, really appreciate your time. What I would definitely encourage you guys to do is go ahead and go into the comment section. I really want you to let me know, what did you learn? If you learned anything, all right? And if you have any questions, go ahead and actually put it in the comment section as well. I'm excited for what the future entails, okay? And I'll speak to you guys soon. Let's get it.